Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Shop My Stash updates video. I'm going to tell you guys how I did with my products that I had in my Shop My Stash for the month of February, and I'm going to show you guys what I am going to be using for the month of March. So if you want to see all of that, then keep watching. So if you don't know what Shop My Stash is, it's pretty much just when you take some products that you kind of just want to incorporate into your everyday makeup. It's kind of just interesting to see like what you really gravitate towards and all that stuff. I'm also doing this with my project pan, so I'm just trying to use up a lot of products. But Shop My Stash are monthly. Some people do them weekly, bi-weekly, like people do them all different times. I'm doing my monthly, and then my project pan is just a year-long project pan. So first I'm going to do the updates and tell you guys how I think February went. The first product I'm going to talk about is this Milk Makeup Blur Stick. I really liked this. I really did enjoy it. I think I used up a good chunk of it. I don't really know how much I started with, but I feel like I did use up a lot. The one thing though that stinks is that this did break, like it fell out of the little twisty thing, so I have to push it back in there. I just don't know if it really helped fill in my pores. I personally cannot tell a difference, but in the mirror I just like took a little like peek and I think I did see a little difference. But I did really like this. I think that I will definitely keep using it until I use it all up, but I just don't know. I don't really think like it works, you know? I think it's just like kind of a gimmick. Next up, I have this Doll 10 Hydrogel Cream Balm Blush in the shade Dolce. I'm not the biggest fan of this. I really don't like it. I tried so hard to like it too, like so hard, and I couldn't like it, but I'm gonna keep it in my collection. I feel like I may grab it every once in a while. Honestly, at the beginning of my Shop My Stash, I wasn't gravitating towards it often, and then I kind of started like gradually using it more and more, but some days I honestly would forget. I would just apply this after I applied this. I'm like going in order of how I would use these things, and I don't know, it's just like I have such mixed feelings about it still. I don't know how to feel about it. The next product I have is this Makeup Revolution Strobe Cream in Rose Gold. I really liked this. If you saw my Get Ready With Me, I would just pat it pretty much where my highlight is right now, and then just pretty much apply more and more highlight. But I really like how this looked on my face. I feel like I did get like a good dip in here, and I was so hoping to hit pan, but I didn't hit pan, which kind of bummed me out. But if I ever finish this liquid, the Unicorn Tears liquid highlighter from Beauty Creations, because this is in my project pan, this is gonna be what replaces that product, because I really did enjoy this a whole lot. Next, we have the e.l.f. Blush and Bronzer Duo in Fiji. So I picked this product because I wanted to use the bronzer along with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I really do like it. It's what I have on for bronze now, if you guys can tell. I feel like you can never tell. I don't know. I feel like it's like the lighting. I don't know. But I really like how these two mixed together. They really made like a nice color, and they made like the perfect bronze tone for me, because I feel like I was saying a bunch of times, the Chocolate Soleil bronzer is just so light for me. I feel like I don't know what it is, but I really like how this looked on my skin. It's my favorite. This is one of my favorite bronzers ever, I have to say. The blush I don't think I used at all, but that's okay, because I'm still working on my Rockateur blush from Benefit, and that's also my project pan, so you know, I wasn't gonna stress about a blush. Next, we're gonna talk about the palette that I chose, and that is the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette. Honestly, I got more use out of this palette than I totally thought that I would, because before doing this, like, I never gravitated toward it, but I really did like it. I did do some videos with it. I'll link them down below, and I really like this. I like this palette, but I don't love the palette. I'll probably put it back in my drawer and like totally forget about it until like next year when I want to do another Shop My Stash and include this. So yeah, but the shades that I really liked were Almond Truffle, Satin Sheets, Cashew Chew, Bedwa, and Mocha. Those are like my go-to shades. I think they're gorgeous, and Pecan Praline, that one too. They're fun shades. They're really good. They're not fun shades. They're neutral shades. Who am I kidding? I love neutrals. But this is a good palette. I really do like it. I just forever wish I gravitated towards it more. Which hopefully I do since I did this Shop My Stash. Maybe I'll like learn to love it more. I don't know. Now on to the products that I used once and didn't use it for the rest of my Shop My Stash. And that is this Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener in the shade Stella. I tried so hard to use this. I tried so hard to gravitate towards it. I tried so hard to just like it. I don't know what it is. And I've tried this 2 different ways. I've tried it all over my lid and I've tried it in my inner corner. And I think it's honestly because there's macadamia in it. And I don't know if it's in my head, but it kind of stinks. So I might give this to my mom because it's like brand new. I used it 2 times total since I've gotten it. And I got this in my FabFitFun box in December. So I don't like it. I'm not a fan of it. It just stings. And it's so pretty too, but I honestly think it's the macadamia nut oil. So that's just proof I'm still allergic to nuts. Now on to the products that I have chose for March. So this month I actually wanted to incorporate a mask just because I have so many masks that I really want to use up. And I have one in my project pan and I have this one that I'm including for this month. So I feel like this mask I'll use up faster because there's not a whole lot in it and I might be able to finish it up this month, who knows. And the mask I want to try to use for this month is this ENLITE Superface Liquid Assets Detoxifying Platinum Peel Off Mask. A while back I did a whole, I don't remember if it was a review or like a haul of these products. I got them at CVS and they were all like final sale because they were getting rid of this brand. But the brand, like everything is really, really nice. I did like everything. Like this is the last thing I have from that brand. This I really do enjoy. I just wish I gravitated towards it more, but I don't have a whole lot left. I probably have like a little more than half of it left. And I just want to try to use this more. I really do like peel off masks. I think they're easier for me to use than like a clay mask just because I try to do masks every other day. And if it's a day where I come home from work, like a Monday or Tuesday or a Friday, it's just the last thing I want to do is at like 9 o'clock at night do a mask because I go to bed at like 10:30 like an old lady. So this is just something quick and easy and I hope that I use it more this month. Next, I have the Benefit Professional. Honestly, I'm just including this because I have so many samples, especially of this, that I just want to get rid of. So that's just why I included this in this month's Shop My Stash. Next, I have another Makeup Revolution highlighter that I want to use, and this is their Pressed Highlighter in Peach Kiss. I honestly just think that this color will be really pretty for the springtime coming up and just getting me in the mood for spring. I really, really like this color. It's just really pretty. And I'm also like running low on my Mary Luminizer because I hit pan on that. So this may be a replacement for Mary Lou. Next up for bronzer, I'm going to be including the Hoola bronzer from Benefit. Again, I have so many samples of this and I just want to get rid of it. So that's why she's here. And also I think it'll be a good mix with the Chocolate Soleil bronzer. And the last final Benefit product, this isn't the last product but it's the final Benefit product, and it is the Benefit Posy Tint. I just wanted to include this because again I literally have like a little thing in my drawers full of these, just all the Posy tints, like every color you can imagine. I have it on my lips right now with a ColourPop lip gloss on top and I really, really like it. I like that these are like multi-use products. You can use it on your lips, you can use it as blush. I think you could probably even use it on your eyes. I don't really see why not. It might stain though. Don't use it on your eyes. But this is just a really pretty pink and it's getting me in the mood for spring. I try to pick some products that'll like get me in the mood for spring because it snowed yesterday. So trying to get into the spring mood. And the last product that I'm including is an eyeshadow palette, and it is the SHAANXO, the Remix palette. So if you've never seen the SHAANXO, the Remix palette, this is what it looks like. This is the Remix side. And then on this side, we have like her original side. So I have already done a 5 days, 1 palette with the 5 days, 1 palette, 5 looks, 1 palette, whatever, with this. And I'm don't know what else. I'll try to like go through what videos I've done with this. So let me know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see with this, and I'll try to do them. I might do a palette bingo with this. I just feel like it'll be annoying because I'll have to like flip-flop back and forth. But I really do like this palette. Shout out to Nikki because she's the one who's been constantly using it in all her tutorials. And I'm like, I keep forgetting I have that palette because I have so many palettes. So shout out to you, Nikki, because you inspired me to use this for this month. And I feel like I may hit pan on a shade. I might hit pan on Buttercup because I have a really big dip in there. So we shall see. Stay tuned for updates. And that was it for this month's Shop My Stash updates and what products I'm going to be including for this month. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are doing Shop My Stash videos and what you're including for March. I would love to hear like what you have because everyone always does different products and I think that's so fun. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below, especially if you want to see anything with the SHAANXO, the remix palette. If there's any specific colors you want to see me use in a tutorial, let me know and I will get that up as soon as possible during the month. And if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.